Imagine feeling more energetic, stronger, and revitalized every single day. What if one supplement could support your overall vitality and wellness? Introducing Alpha Energy from Biotech Drive Limited, the ultimate dietary supplement designed to enhance men's health without containing testosterone. Packed with a powerful blend of nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and tribulus terrestris, this supplement is your key to unlocking peak performance. Feel the surge in your energy levels and watch as your lean muscle mass begins to grow, helping you manage your weight more effectively. Your heart health is crucial, and Alpha Energy supports cardiovascular wellness by promoting healthy blood flow and red blood cell production. Strong bones are the foundation of a healthy body. Maintain your bone density and strength with our scientifically formulated ingredients. Experience a boost in your libido and sexual function, enhancing your overall vitality and supporting a healthy, active lifestyle. Each capsule is crafted in the USA with high-quality ingredients like horny goatweed, longjack, and saw palmetto berries. Simply take 2 capsules before bedtime and let Alpha Energy work its magic while you sleep, rejuvenating your body from the inside out. Don't wait to transform your health. Experience the comprehensive support of Alpha Energy today. This message is approved by Biotech Drive Limited.